video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.